This one's hang standing workout, doing hang rotation. So you want to have a nice hang down. You can do it with the feet on the ground when you're starting out, just the toe tips, get that nice hollow body, side hollow, arch, really trying to open the shoulders, not just extending the lower back, around, back to the hollow, and then reverse it. Then you go full body weight, really trying to use that full chain. I like doing 15-second circles, so breathe in to the arch, breathe out to the hollow, hold it out. Breathe into the arch, breathe out to the hollow. But 5 seconds inhalation, 5 seconds exhalation, hold the breath out for 5. So you get 4 breaths in the minute. Then for the rotation, be really mindful of your lower back with this. When you do the extension part, keep the teeth together and the tongue on the roof of the mouth. So I'm here, internally rotated in the shoulders, rounded right out. You can come up more so it's less in the hip and more in the spine. Breathing in. Breathing out. Hold it out. Reverse it, breathing in. So it's really important not to let the mouth come open and the tongue flap, to stabilize the neck when you go into that extended position when you go to back, so it stabilizes through there. And you're trying to make sure that you're not just doing that, but you're doing it through the whole spine, so you're getting that nice extension through the whole chain. You can bend the knees a little bit, sissy a little bit, to get a bit more of an arch going on, up to you. But just keep it safe, same as when you're bending, you can bend the hips a little bit more. You'll condition the spine more if you keep the hips fixed and just move through flexion in the spine. So it's not like a Jefferson curl where you want the hips to move as much, where you can make it that way. It's totally up to you, but it just depends on what you want to condition. Just be mindful of the spine, keep it safe, keep it healthy. 3 rounds, 6 minutes.